Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error code 279 easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, type here Windows Update Settings, and after that just click check for updates, and here make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then restart your PC to install the updates. And that's it, just click download and install. And now let's move to the next step. After restarting your PC, right click on Roblox, go to properties, compatibility, and here change settings for all users. And now just you will find it like that. Just enable those two options, and first option make it Windows 8, apply and OK, then OK again, and now open it and you will find this problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.